Hello, welcome to the SwipeTank demo. This is our landing page. As you can see, we've made this as clear as possible with our intention to relay the whys and hows of our app without any clutter. So you will have this hero section, and then you have what we do section, and then finally other sections which are important. But let's go and sign into our app. We've used Clerk for authentication, and within few clicks, you can be part of the SwipeTank family. So it's very simple to get authenticated and use SwipeTank immediately. So as soon as you're authenticated, you're directed to the browse section. But before that, let me tell you about how our app works. So each person can use SwipeTank as an investor or an innovator. So the investor can browse and invest, and the innovator can build and showcase their projects in SwipeTank. So let's start with the innovator section. So you have been in a hackathon and you completed the hackathon. Everybody liked your project. So what's the next step? So with SwipeTank, the next step is you basically come to this create project section, and then you fill out the details of your project, like the project name, industry, the tagline, the description, and then other details like what problem you're trying to solve, your solution, and then the target market. In addition to that, you will also have to fill out investment type, like in what stage of investment you're in, the funding goal, and how you will use those funds. So this is all done to give a clear idea to the investor. So once you fill out this project section, you are redirected to this My Project section where you can basically edit and manage all of your projects that you've enlisted in SwipeTank. So the another section that we have is this Messages section where all of the messages that investors have left in your project that you've listed will be shown over here. After this is done, we have this Settings section where you can basically control um, your profile information, the notifications, the security information, the billing, as well as whether you're connected to Google or LinkedIn or other stuff. Now that is all done, let's go back to the investor mode. Here you will see a dashboard. This dashboard will show all of the investments that you made, the stats related to the dashboard. So it will show the total number of investments you've made, the amount invested, the active chats that are present, the available projects, and also the deal pipeline. So which deals are going through and which are not. After that, you have this browse projects section where this is where the magic happens. So StudyMate AI is something that was listed previously, and if you want to invest in this particular project, if you're interested in this project, you have to like click on analysis, and our AI will start creating the analysis for you. So okay. So the AI gives an overall investment summary at the top. It is ranking the investment opportunity. It is recommending whether to buy it or not, and it is recommending why it thinks that you should buy this project. The market analysis, the market in which it operates in, the financial projections. So this basically comes from the listing that you've done and the competitive landscape, what it is like for this company to grow in this particular market space, and then the risk assessment, what particular risks the company might land into, and the next steps as well. So all this gives an investor pretty clear idea on what to do with this project. So if the investor is interested, they can click on invest this project, and then click on the amount that they want to invest, and basically, hey, a message like, hey, I'd love to invest. So after this is done, you are redirected to my investment section where, similar to the innovator mode, in investor mode, my investments will show you the stats that are related to your investments. So I've made investments in two projects, the StudyMate AI and Neural on Tutor. So my investments amount to 47K. My portfolio value is around 10K, and return on investment looks pretty bad right now. And then there are two active investments that we've made. So it's not exactly investing per se, but we are pitching an investment. So let's go to the messages section. Basically, all of the messages that you've sent to every project that you've browsed is shown over here. And then finally, we have the settings section, which is similar. So yeah, thank you.